Now I gotta I gotta make some standoffs for this, because the factory bracket for an EKSI is straight, and this is probably from an older style frame, so I'm not going to use these for anything. So I think I'm going to take these little collars out of here, and I'm going to put them on here, and I don't know, I might weld them, but I'm gonna pull them out of here, and I'm going to grind it down so it's all the same height. And it's kind of strange because these holes are 8mm, and on the frame they're 10mm, and this is 10mm. So I'm gonna make these holes bigger. I'm gonna use 10mm bolts instead of 8s. Make them a little bigger. I think it'll be better that way for some reason. Yeah, I just gotta figure out how to get these out of here. They probably don't come out easy. Here's my job. It's going to work just fine. I got this bar, this nice de-rusted bar, and made me bleed. Damn thing. Yeah, I gotta put SI sway bar links in this. I can't use the links that were in it. It's a different style, and I bought these things because they're supposed to work. Little shim things. They're supposed to go in here and you bolt it down. But these holes were like super rusted. There was probably, I don't know, man, 1/8 of an inch of rust all the way around on both of these. So they kind of just fall in there, and they don't sit in there nice. I could have made something for this, and I bought these thinking they just fall right in and work really good. I got a feeling if I bolt this down, it'll probably crush inside of there. I mean, it's probably gonna work, but it seems kind of cheesy, so I think I'm gonna weld these too. I'm gonna just weld them in. I think they're stainless. They'll weld. I have all my parts for my little Civic. I made these, so they're all good. I'm almost as excited as a kid with a new toy. I found some bolts laying around so I don't have to buy any. These go up here like this. Oops. I got one long and one short. They don't look pretty, but it don't matter none. Just want to make sure that bolt's not too long and going to hit the control arm. It doesn't look like it will. Yeah, I can really see why people would tell you need to strengthen this up too and put a bar across here that attaches to these lower control arm bolts if you use a thicker sway bar, because this is really thin material. It's probably like 20 gauge steel. So I can see how it'd rip out if you don't have enough give. Or if you got too much give, I mean. Yeah, I use shouldered nuts too. I don't think regular nuts would be a good idea to put on this. I'm going to cover all this up with some rubberized undercoating. Can of yuck. That's cool, you won't see it anyways. I got my nice painted bar with my ends on here. The inside actually looks better because it's welded on the inside. And I do believe it goes up here like this. Yeah. Cha. And my sway bar bushings are a little old. I couldn't find any new ones. They're all special order for some reason. They seem kind of tight. When they get loose, they start making noise. They still seem kind of okay. But just a hair on the wore outside, so I just made some little metal shims I'm going to put inside the straps. You won't even see them. That'll tighten up the bushing. Keep it from making noise. I must have bent these just a little bit trying to manufacture those. Oh, I mail ordered some end links for a 99 SI. I got these really cheap. The picture actually had black ones. When the threads are black and this nut or this bolt end, when it's black it means it's hardened. Usually the really good ones, it's got gold nuts and it's black, and that's a picture they showed me. It was like $14 for a pair, which is cheap. But then I got these and well, it was misleading because I thought I was getting this expensive stuff cheap, and I'm not. There is a right and a left. There we go. I got a sway bar in my '96 Civic. That should make it handle a lot better.